Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another project, and this time I'm going to attempt to restore the passenger seat in my 3000 GT. Now, this is yeah, you see right here. This is the passenger seat. All right, I'm going to show you the issue we have. Now, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, but it does need a little bit of TLC. That's a cigarette burn. So basically, I bought this car like the seat was like this. Now, the uh, the driver's side, you see, it's perfect. It's new. Why? Because there was a big gash here, so I had to get the old seat rear poster. But knowing what I know now, I could have done it myself. So I will show you everything that the stuff I bought to try to fix it. All right, to do this job, I bought filler online, and it works for vinyl and leather. Okay, so but yeah, the company they use the wrong packaging, and that's why you see it is damaged. But I keep it in this tumbleware. So in addition, it comes with this little okay. What's the heck of this name of this thing? But it's a help to apply it to the vinyl, and there is a okay, a blade. I don't think I'm going to use it. And then, just in case, if the seat has holes, you can use that. Use these patch. So I'm going to use one of them for that cigarette burn. And then these are uh, sand grit, and okay, the three of them. So that's it. So, but I do not have any dye. So, but I have had this, and I bought it at Walmart 2 years ago. I will use it to see, because it's you can see the color. Okay, that's the color, and so it might work. But if it doesn't work, and then I will revert to buying the dye. But right now, I'm focused on putting it on the seat, meaning yeah, the filler. Now I will use several coats, and it's really hot here. It's already 89 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's only 8 in the morning. But instead of waiting 10-15 minutes for it to dry, I will be using this blow dryer to speed up the process. Make sure you clean the surface that you're going to apply the the filler. And the whole point is you don't want to be working in dirty areas. You clean it, okay. All right, as you can see so far, that's the only two areas where I need to patch. So as I showed you, it came with this little patch here, and let me go ahead and insert them in there. And then once you're done, I will put glue. I will put glue, so kind of like a little bit of delicate job. If I don't get it right the first time, I can remove it and then reinsert it. But right now yep, it looks fine. Okay, so it looks fine. And the other one, this one's probably a little bit more challenging because it's smaller, but I'm gonna try to get it in anyway. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yep. That's it. It is. It is. All right. So now I'm going to use a crazy glue. Just to make sure that it stays. Okay. It will not go anywhere later. Okay. So this is it. The crazy glue. Now to make it dry faster. All right, so it is dry. I already know I have to fill in the crack here. Yeah, I have to add a lot to it to make it proportional. As always, I was again wrong for saying that there was no other hole. Evidently, there was there was another one. So I'm gonna have to put this in there and then apply glue just like I did previously, and I will show you that when I'm finished. All right, so this is how I was able to patch it, and I'm going to heat it up, and then after that I will apply the I'm going to do my best here to apply but again I'm doing this, and also there is grit, sanding grit to use to remove all the leftovers. Okay. So we're going to do this in a time lapse, and then after all, I will only show you the finish stage. You already got the concept of applying the filler. That's all we are doing, and then we have to wait for it to dry to and then put different coat. This is a sample. It's white, yellow, brown, and black. So four colors together to match this one here. It's not going to be a totally perfect match because you know this is very old and faded. So we have to use several layers like that, and it's a challenge, but again it has to be done like this. And okay, so I'm going to do this um, all over here, here, and here as well, and do several layers. Okay. So let me go on this side here. Now you can see, there we go. This is a little bit, appears a little bit better. Okay, and when, okay, so okay, so it's a very tedious job. So okay, this is it for this is how I'm going to be doing this, and so later when I start the second layer or the third, then I will show you. But right now, this is how I'm going to do it, and then use a blow dryer to quickly dry it. Okay, like this one here, you can see. Okay, go here, and this one, you see. Okay, it will require several other layers. All right, I'll see you later. All right, so we are almost a week later after I started this, and there wasn't enough paint for me to mix to do this, and also I couldn't get the exact color. You see, yeah, it was very difficult to match this because this is the factory one. So what I did, I went on Amazon, and that's the closest one I can find is the aerosol spray, and so I'm going to use that. So I took the seed out and I wash it. So tomorrow, Saturday, I will paint it, and then I will show you what it looks like before and after.